Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Quizlet app. You click on settings. As you see here in this page of settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we'll search about the application of Quizlet, and we go here to this application. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by